In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your PowerPoint presentation. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add the video background. This is where you'll be enhancing your slide with dynamic visuals. Once that's complete, click on the Insert tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab gives you access to various elements you can add to your slide. Next, you'll want to select Video from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to choose the video file that will serve as your background. From here, choose Video on my PC to browse your computer for the desired video file. This action will open a File Explorer window where you can locate and select your video. With that out of the way, insert the video into your slide. You should see the video appear on your slide, ready to be positioned and resized. Now adjust the size and position of the video to cover the entire slide. This ensures that your video will serve as a full background, creating a seamless visual effect. Finally, right-click on the video and select Send to Back from the context menu. This step places your video behind all other slide elements, allowing your text and images to remain visible on top of the video background. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video background to your PowerPoint presentation. Enjoy the enhanced visual appeal and dynamic presentation style.